Hi, and welcome to Little Luxuries with Lynn. I'm Lynn Marie. You'll have to excuse my voice. I'm losing my voice and have a bit of a chest cold, but I wanted to keep filming all the boxes that keep coming. So today, as you can very well see, we're going to be opening up my Fab Fit Fun box. This is a quarterly subscription. You can pay quarterly or you can pay annually. You get a really great deal on if you pay annually. You get to customize virtually everything in your box. Quarterly, I'm just looking at some of my notes. Quarterly, it's $48.99, so it's really a reasonable box once you see what's in it. And you've probably seen other people open their boxes, and you get a lot of stuff for your $48.99. Annually is $179.99. I know you save a little money doing it that way also. Annual members also get great perks like first dibs on customizing, and then they get their boxes first. I should have had my box a while ago, but living out in Wyoming, our mail takes a lot longer than normal. So they do ship internationally. So if you've got friends or family overseas that would like the box, this is one of the few that you can get over to them. All right, as you see, I've got another little box sitting here. This item and this came in a larger box. And so I just thought I would bring this over and show you. This is the Our House candle. So I'm gonna scoot that over and we'll just open up the candle right away. And I believe this scent was a pine scent. I wanted to get ready for the holidays. And it comes in a really pretty copper, let me get this open, really pretty copper vessel. And it smells amazing. It smells like pine, like Christmas tree, but with a hint of sweet. Isn't that beautiful? I love the copper color. And it's a single wick, and it smells really quite amazing. It'll be wonderful through the Christmas holidays. Christmas or whatever you may celebrate during that time of year. So let's get into the box. I'm excited. I don't remember exactly what I all chose. It's been a hot minute, but I've seen other people open theirs and think, I hope I picked that. All right, so it's nice that it came in a box because sometimes this box gets pretty dinged up. All right, here is a $15 off for your first Fab Fit Fun box. You give this to a friend and they get $15 off. It's a nice way to just introduce somebody to the box. All right, and then here is the magazine that talks about all the different items that you were able to get. And then they have different articles on entertaining and recipes. So it's a great book to hang on to. All right, so the first item I'm pulling out is, it's by Uncommon James. And I was really excited to see this offer because I'll insert a photo here. I have canisters that look just like this that I use for dog food. That way they can sit out on my countertop and still look very nice. So isn't that gorgeous? Now there should be one more inside here. Yep. Let me unwrap that too. Sorry about the wrapping noise. And my voice doesn't help any. But isn't this gorgeous? Yeah, the two that I have two large ones and one small one. And you have seen the picture. And they match this almost identically. The only difference is there is no paw print up standing on top to help you open them. But these are gonna be a nice way to store dog treats. All right, next item. Let me get rid of this here. All right. So there is a Dove antiperspirant in here. I think that was just an item that everybody got. And then I know I specifically chose this. It is the Replenishing Moisture CC Cream by Caviar Anti-Aging. It is a hair product. I believe, is it a mask? I don't know. But it is a hair product. Okay, and it's full size. I love that. And it is an expensive brand, for sure. Let me see if I can find it in here. Give me a minute. It might take me a bit. Let's see. Oh, I see some great recipes. This looks yummy. I'm not quite sure what all of it is, but that looks delish. Yeah. One of the items you could have gotten was a pan, and I actually chose it as an add-on. I'm not showing it to you because, well, it's in the dishwasher. My hubby had to use it right away. All right, so yes, this caviar. Let's see. Give your hair a break. It's a replenishing moisture CC cream. Okay. You apply it prior to applying heat to your hair. So it's like a heat protectant also. It's like a heat protectant along with a moisturizer. All right, what else do we have? Oh, I remember choosing this. This is by Elemis, the Papaya Enzyme Peel. It's for your face. I like enzyme peels. They're a little more gentle than exfoliating scrubs. I don't use scrubs on my face or any granules. It's just a little too harsh on the skin. And when you get this old, you want to make sure you're nice and gentle to your skin. All right, and this one I'm not sure. Let's open it up and see. And it's been quite a bit, so I don't remember what the choices were. This bag is winning too. Woo. Okay. Okay. Oh, this is something that I believe everybody got. Heineken, alcohol-free. So I'm not sure what it is. Besides, I know Heineken is a beer. So we got a beer. Everybody got a beer, and it is 0.0. So it's got absolutely no alcohol in it. A lot of NA beers have like a 0.2%. This has absolutely none in it. I think it's kind of an odd item to get in our FabFitFun box, except for if you are really health conscious and you don't consume alcohol. Here you can still have the taste of it. But yeah, it's just a little amusing to get a little can of beer with my FabFitFun box. All right, what else? Ooh, this looks like jewelry. Oh, I got this to give as a gift. This was an add-on. I already have one, and I wanted to give one to my sister. And she's probably watching this video, and now she knows she's getting it. So, this is the bracelet. Isn't that brilliant? I love that it incorporates the gold, silver, and even a black metal. Yeah, I think she'll love this. There's no way I can hold back without her finding out about that. I guess it just won't be a surprise. And then here is a mask, a hair mask by Gloss Modern Cream Luxury Hair Mask. Okay. I was obviously in a hair mood when I was doing my picking. Okay, and it looks like one more item. Yep, one more item here. Papaya, if I'm saying that word right, wood cheese board by Uncommon James, the same company as who made the canisters. All right. And I have absolutely no idea what this looks like anymore. I don't remember at all, but it's heavy. Oh, okay, so it's a wooden cheese board. I thought maybe it would be marble, but look at that. Isn't that just beautiful? This kind of wood is exactly the same kind of wood that I have in my kitchen on my cabinets. And so we also put this kind of flooring in. And I still don't know how you say the name, but it is Acacia, Acaya wood cheese board. You know what? All I'm doing is smelling this candle. The first item we pulled out, and it's the best. I love it. Well, this was Fab Fit Fun for the fall, and not too much. A lot of higher priced items and some hair products. And then don't forget a mask. And least of all, don't forget about the beer. You have a wonderful day. Please subscribe. It would make me thrilled to have you. And you take care.